This is a 2008 HHR under the hood. Here's the fuse box under the hood. I put an aftermarket stereo in this car and I started off the security system, got that fixed, and then it started once and then I could not get it to start again and could not figure out what's wrong. And believe it or not, back here in the back, that yellow fuse, the 60 amp fuse, goes to the power steering, and that was the problem. Hard to believe. And but I found one post on the internet, just one post saying that, and I tried it and the fuse was blown. The only thing I can think of is that it had a circuit going to these relays and it broke the circuit. That's the only reason why I think that could happen. But in this case, when I turn it over, I'd just get one click and that's it. No matter the battery is charged and everything, I would just get one click. And I'm thinking the starter or something. And I checked everything else, but it was that fuse right there.